Friends, in this video I will focus on the vitamins and the previous questions which will be asked in the exams like a pharmacist exam, and mostly that video is important for the GPAT students, those who are preparing for the GPAT. So let's see, I will start with some explanations with few questions, and like this you can prepare for the exams and you can prepare your own notes as well as the questions that I will guide in this video to you people. Just see, the vitamins are very much important. It is a micronutrient or the organic compounds which is useful for the our body, and it has the various functions and roles. So let's start with the some probable questions that will be asked in the examinations, like in the pharmacist exams. That questions will becomes on the vitamins as well as in the GPAT examinations. So let's start with this. The some more practice questions that we will have to discuss over here, and according to you prepare your points, your notes, and mostly it will be having chance one or two questions will be asked on the vitamins. There might be having the possibilities. In the previous exams, it has been asked the several questions on it. So it is very much important topic for the competitive exams. So let's see the first questions, that is the MCQ 1. Phyloquinine is, you know, phyloquinine. So before that you must know the chemical name of the vitamins. You know, vitamin A, vitamin A, you know that the vitamin A is known as, vitamin A is known as retinol. So this is not right answer for phyloquinine is the list of the vitamins. Then vitamin B6, vitamin B6 is the pyridoxine, pyridoxal, as well as the this is the another name or the chemical name for the vitamin B6. Then vitamin K, you know very well about that. The vitamin K is known as phyloquinone. Okay, so in generally in the pharmacy exam they will be change the options. It will be maybe asked the vitamin K1. So you have to choose the right answer over here. So phyloquinone is the vitamin K, and about the vitamin C, it is the ascorbic acid. So like these things on the options, so you can choose the right answer over here. So here is the phyloquinone is nothing but the vitamin K, so that you have to remember, means you have to recall the chemical names of the vitamins. Then second questions, it is very much important, role of vitamin C. You know the role of vitamin C. So vitamin C, you know very well about that, what is the role. If you have seen the vitamin C, so you can easily answer this question. So you can see the helps our body to use the calcium for the bones and teeth. You can see the options. So this role will be associated with whom? Bone and calcium, vitamin D. Then this is not an option. Then keep our skin and eyes healthy. So which vitamin which will be having this role? Keep our skin and eyes healthy. So eyes means what? Retinol, vitamin A. And third option, which is the helps to body to fight against the many diseases. So this is the correct answer. You have to choose from the options. So you must know the about the all about role of the other vitamins. So you can easily find out the answer, and here is the answer, C, for the role of vitamin C. So like this you have to remember any role or function of vitamins. So you know vitamin D, it will be useful for the use of the calcium and bone teeth to help your body. Then for the skin and healthy eyes, vitamin A. And for last one, which is your correct answer, that is the helps body to fight against the many disease. This is your correct answer. Then we'll see another questions, which is the MCQ 3. The RDA for adult is in the microgram day of vitamins B12. So you know what is the amount, that daily requirement, recommended daily allowance to our body in adults. Specifically I am here discussing about the adults. So here are the options. Here is three options. So here is three options you can see. In the male and female, both required a daily requirement of the vitamin B12, which is the 2.4 microgram. If the woman is pregnant, at that time she will be required the 2.6 microgram daily requirement of vitamin B12. And third one, in the lactating mother, in that condition, this is the amount, or this is the RDA for the patient, RDA for the uh, recommended daily allowance for this lactating mother. So here is the options, that is the option A is correct, which is the adult dose. So you people have to remember the daily requirement, of the vitamins. So might be which will be having the questions in your examination, so that you have to ask, you have to remember these things. So answer will be the 2.4 micrograms, that is the daily requirement for the adult. And you have to remember other options also, it will be for the in the pregnancy, and last one in the lactating mother. Then question 4, beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of. So you have to remember, you can see the options here. Here are the 4 options. A is retinol, then B is the B1 thiamine, B12 is cyanocobalamin, and ascorbic acid. So you know that the vitamin A deficiency cause the night blindness. Vitamin B1 which cause the beriberi, you have to remember, and B12 which can cause the anemia, and C which can cause the scurvy. Okay, so here is your answer, which is the option second, which is the B1. B1 deficiency will cause the beriberi disease due to the deficiency of vitamins. So on the chart, if you remember this chart of the beriberi or any deficiency disorder due to the vitamins, so one questions will be asked in your competitive exams. There are the 100% probability on there. So it will be having chances to ask the question in the examinations. And then last is very much important. In previous GPAT examination, that question has been asked already. So let's see, riboflavin is chemically is. So you have to remember the chemical structure, it is the part of chemistry. So first see, you can see the riboflavin. So it is the flavin, okay, is the flavin ring, flavonoids, you know that. So options are here. If you know the structure, just I will show you the structure. Here I can show the structures. You can see the structure here. Here is the structure which is having the vitamin B12, or it is known as riboflavin. Okay, so in the structure, if you can see the structure, on the structure you may have to identify which type of the basic moiety or which type of the rings present in the structure. So here is a iso-all oxazine. This is the ring system present in the flavin. Okay, then you have to give the numbering, and the upper part in the red color, which is the ribitol, So just see, I will just simply explain you how to number. If you want to number the structure, you have to know the some rules, which is a heterocyclic rules. According to that, you can give the numbering of the any structures. So let's see, here I can explain you how you can number it and how you can find out the actual answer over here. Okay, so this is the structure of iso-all oxime. Okay, iso-all oxime. So here is the iso-all oximes, you can see. So you can start the numbering from the any heteroatom which present in the ring. Okay, so this is the basic iso-all oxazine ring system. This is the 3-member ring system, which is known as iso-all oxazine. Okay, from the least possible number, you have to give the number to the heteroatoms. So I have started the numbering from this position, 1 2 3 4, and then another ring 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, so you can see you have identified the basic moiety which present in the riboflavin structure. It is the flavin. Okay, so in the flavin, which is the ring structure project, that is the iso-all oxazine. Okay, so I have given the numbering to the structure. Then simply just you can see the attachment on the number, which attachment in what positions methyl group is present. So how many methyl group is present over here? 2 methyl groups. And which position this methyl group are there? So just you have to see. Okay, so here I have drawn the structure. You can see the structure over here. Here is the structure of the iso-all oxazine ring. the numbering has been done on 6 and 7 position. On 6 and 7 position, you can see the structure on that is having the methyl group. Okay, so these are the di. 2 methyl group means the dimethyl group. On which position it will be available? On 6 and 7 position. So option will be the, your answer will be the 6,7 dimethyl iso all oxime. Okay, so if this kind of the questions will be asked in your examination, you have to know the structure and give the numbering, and immediately you can find the answer. Okay, so this question has been asked in the previous GPAT examination, so there might be high chances, so you have to practice for that. And last, which is important, which point that you have to prepare your notes. Okay, also one more thing important, maybe sometime they will be asked the questions on the formula of vitamins. Okay, so this is also important points that you have to prepare for exams. Then important points for GPAT and pharmacist exam. So vitamins and their scientific name you must have to remember. Then the role of vitamin, role functions of the vitamin, this is also important. And then daily requirement of vitamin, then this is also important. Then the deficiency disease or disorder, and last one vitamins and their chemical names as well as their formula. Okay, so as you can prepare your own notes, and there might be chances one or two questions will be asked in the your examination. Any pharma competitive exams, there might be questions on this topic, so you have to prepare for this topic. Then I have prepared a blog. On that blog I have uploaded the charts, so you can directly click on that and you can find out the charts. Very good charts over there I have been posted. So if you want to go for it, you can just click on this link and you can find out, you can take the screenshot or the you can download it. Okay, so this is all about for today's sessions. Thank you very much for listening this video.